Stop scrolling. This sound is not a machine. It's a living bird. Watch till the end to believe your eyes. Meet the lyrebird. It has the most terrifyingly perfect vocal cords in the entire animal kingdom. It shatters the laws of biology by perfectly copying car alarms, camera shutters, and roaring chainsaws. The imitation is so flawless that hearing it in the wild feels like a literal, what's crazier? Glitch in the matrix. They learn these modern human noises and actually teach them to their newborn babies. It is nature's ultimate illusionist. Subscribe to HR Factverse right now for more mind-blowing facts.